My name is Ewan. I work as an apprentice electrician for Omexom. I'm currently studying to hopefully one day become a fully qualified electrician. We're on a battery storage unit in Banbridge, and it's battery storage for Tesla. We were working at a substation for it, doing civil works, and we will be wiring the panels and getting everything ready to go.
Comms cabinet. So using the fibre ducts just to...
Everything that they do on site, they're always teaching me about it and explaining it to me and educating me on, you know, what this is and what that is.
Right, that looks good. Can you drill that last hole there? Just coming up.
That wee hole there?
Yeah, that one there, yeah.
Right. It's good to have guys that you can get along with on site. There's that sort of sense of teamwork there. I've really learned a lot since I have started here. I want it to be, you know, an electrician in general, but renewables definitely does spike my interest, and I find it something quite interesting and useful to me. Everywhere you see, I mean, even driving around, you can see there's a lot more renewable energy being produced, whether it be from solar panels or wind farms. It's going to be a big thing moving forward. Then, after going home in the evenings, if my dad needs a hand or, you know, he's struggling a bit, I would give him a hand, I'd help him out. You know, on a farm, you're working with machinery, you're working with animals. You're doing a job, you start it and you finish it. It's the same with what we're doing up at Banbridge. We're going to see it from the very beginning to the very end. It has its similarities whenever it comes to the physical side of the work. A lot of responsibility, I feel, comes with that. A couple of years ago, I was lost. I didn't know what I wanted to do at all. Since starting the apprenticeship, I've been a lot more confident in my career choice, and I see myself in a lot more of a clear path now.